Hi there, I'm Victor from Mavic Innovations, and today I'm excited to show you how our point of sale system can transform the way you run your business. Whether you're tracking sales, managing inventory, or keeping an eye on expenses, this tool is designed to simplify it all. Let's get started. First, let's look at your dashboard, your business's command center. Here, you'll see real-time updates on gross sales, expenses, credit balances, and net profit. Want to set goals? Just input a monthly target and the system tracks progress automatically. For example, if you aim for 2 million in sales, the dashboard shows how close you are. As in our example, the user has surpassed the target to 113%, which is 13% above his target of 2 million. These visual trends help you spot busy days, seasonal patterns, or even your best performing weeks. Plus, the best selling product section highlights what's flying off of your shelves, so you never miss a hot item. Now, let's make a sale. The point of sale interface is intuitive. Select products from your inventory lists. They're displayed with stock levels and prices. Need to adjust a price? You can, but don't worry. It won't let you sell below your costs, protecting your margins. Let's say customer Dennis buys 66,300 worth of goods, but pays 6,000 only today. The system tracks his 6,300 balance instantly. Later, if he wants to add another item, just edit the order over here. Done. Print a receipt that shows both the current amount and his total debt. Perfect for transparency. Managing stock is a breeze. Add new products in seconds, from the name, category, quantity, buying price, and even selling price. Every business has costs, rent, salaries, utilities, and all that. Our expense tracker helps you categorize each one. Paid 50,000 in rent, log it in here and it's gonna reflect in your dashboard, keeping your net profit calculations spot on. Speaking of tracking, we have a credit manager that shows all customer debts in one place. Let's look at Dennis's profile. Remember Dennis? The total amount he owes the business is 21,900. If he pays 10,000 today, just click Add Payment. His balance updates instantly. You can even call him directly from his profile, considering we saved his contact details while adding him as a customer. No more digging for contact details. Need a deep dive? The dashboard I showed only shows reports per month. But here, we can generate reports for any period of time. Compare last week's sales to this month or review annual profits. These insights help you make smarter decisions, like doubling down on top sellers or trimming slow-moving stock. Security in your business matters. You don't want your employees to have access to all the business information or to be able to edit orders that you shouldn't have edited or edit product prices or quantities. Admins can have full access, but employees can also log in as restricted users. Once they make sales, they can only print receipts and log in expenses. They cannot edit orders, edit prices, or even view your sensitive reports. This way, you can protect your business from errors or thefts with just a few clicks. So there you have it. The Mavic point of sale system, your all-in-one solution for smarter, digitized business management. Ready to see it in action? Contact us today for a personalized demo. Let's take a look at your business and take it to the next level. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business success. To reach out to us, call us with the number on the screen or visit our website at www.mavicinnovations.co.ke. Our website is also in the description below.